So this is the Media Mod from GoPro, and I've got my GoPro Hero 11 inside it now, and this is currently compatible with the 9, 10 and 11. Now if you have the GoPro 8, then you need a different model than this one. And as the name suggests, this gives you the ability to connect multiple devices. So it actually comes with microphones built in, and on the back it has these rubber covers that are sort of weather protection, and underneath, when you flip them open, there are 3 individual ones, and as you can see they fit the port, so they totally block it and stop any rain ingress. But this is not waterproof, it's just weather resistant. So this bottom one is a microphone input, so you can plug in your external microphones. This one here is a USB-C pass-through, so if you're using something like the GoPro Volta, you can plug that in there, and then you can charge your camera. And this top one is a micro HDMI port that you can use to send the video signal to an external monitor, such as the display mod. Now, if you're in an environment where there's a little bit of wind, it does also come with this wind protection that goes on the front here and then clips here. So that's on nice and secure. But my preference is actually to use an external microphone, such as this Rode here. And so what you do with that, you go to this bottom port here, and it plugs in there. So you can use the light mod as well if you want an extra bit of light. So you're vlogging and you want to light your face nice. And right now you have a vlogging setup ready to go. And this is the real power of the Media Mod. You have all these options. It just expands what you can do with the GoPro. So if you don't need a microphone, but you do want to see what you're doing, you can slot in this external display, and then that connects into the HDMI port here, and then that gives you a bigger screen than the one that comes with it here, so you can see yourself more clearly and frame up easier and more efficiently. So that's another option. All this with the Media Mod.